Ecoslider Greenhouse Assembly and Installation Video EHL 2.5.
Base frame.
Lay out components of the base frame on a flat surface. Connect the beams of the base frame according to the assembly manual. Fasten beams on both sides with supplied screws. Prepare transversal and longitudinal panels for the assembly of the base frame. Pre-drilled holes intended for the installation of the trusses should be on the outer side of the base frame facing up. Pre-drilled holes intended for the installation of the front and back end walls should be facing up. Connect four corners of the base frame with 55/70 brackets. Level for sides of the base frame. Diagonals of the base frame should be equal on both sides. Fasten 40/90 brackets to the base frame according to the assembly manual. Secure the base frame to the ground at 45-degree angle using supplied anchors and a hammer.
End wall.
Place two plastic washers over the press pins located at the top of the end wall sides. Loosen one screw on both sides to fit H12 profile. Fasten T9 profile to the sides of the end wall. Fasten an H12 profile to the sides of the end wall.
Door handle.
Slide the latch inside the door frame, align and secure the door handles to the frame using supplied screws. Insert the lock cover and tighten the screws. The door latch can be adjusted by turning to screw.
Trusses.
Connect pre-assembled top and bottom parts of the truss, using for washers, M6 bolts and wing nuts. Fasten U25 reinforcement plank on both sides of the truss. Fasten assembled trusses to the base frame.
Mauerlates.
Connect mauerlates to the trusses according to the assembly manual.
Roof ridges.
Connect roof ridges to the trusses, according to the assembly manual.
End wall installation.
Align end wall with the base frame and fasten it with 6 screws. Fasten sides and top of the end wall to the mauerlates and roof ridges.
Polycarbonate panels.
Remove the protective film of the polycarbonate on both sides. Make sure polycarbonate panel is clear from any debris. Apply protective perforated tape over open chambers of the panel. Install supplied U-profile over the protection tape of the polycarbonate panel. Install polycarbonate panels with UV protected side, facing up towards the sun. Polycarbonate panels should be leveled and aligned in relation to mauerlates, trusses and base frame. Remove and replace the screw during installation of polycarbonate. Fasten all side polycarbonate panels according to the assembly manual.
Polycarbonate connecting profiles.
Install protective seal on the edges of polycarbonate connecting. Pressure profiles to 5pp1 and to 5pp2. Mount polycarbonate connecting pressure profiles to 5pp1 over all side panels according to the assembly manual.
Installation of roof panels.
Fasten all roof polycarbonate panels according to the assembly manual. Allowed measurement from the side panel to the edge of the roof panel can be from 50 to 55 millimeters and should be the same around all panels. Mount polycarbonate connecting pressure profiles to 5pp2 over all roof panels according to the assembly manual. Fasten top roof ridges over the polycarbonate and bottom roof ridges.
Door mounting.
Install the door by hanging it on the pre-installed hinges.
Smart venter handle.
Install smart venter handle according to the assembly manual. Install cover plates over the roof ridges. Mount the door magnet on the left side of the end wall by inserting it through the pre-drilled hole in the profile.